Honestly, but really if I could, I forget about you, forget about you, forget about you. You got me breathing time in, time in. She came with the soul, I kept the digits. Relationship, yeah, one told ya niggas. These bitches mad, man. They don't fuck with what came.
It ain't no motherfucking fuck in my wrist talk, even in the bitch don't soft
It's pressure.
Man, he got 60,000 watts in there, bro.
Woo!
You remember my Tahoe, right?
Yeah, I remember your Tahoe.
He got 6 of the Solo X's in there, but they're the 12, and he put 10,000 watts on each one. They only supposed to take like 3. You put 10 on each one.
Shoot, he could charge my car. He really get that pressure, ain't he?
Yeah, he got some pressure.
Tom.
Hey, Eric. Eric.
You bitches mad,
Eric. You got a second? Yeah. Hold on. I'm trying to get the seat. Hold on. The Bluetooth trip?
Alright.
That's that Jaguar.
It just be moving. Wow.
There's some brand on that boy.
Well, that's what I was about to say. I know he did. Cause 60,000, you said what?
You got 10,000 watt amps on there. He got 6 of the amps that I had in the Tahoe.
And
he got 6
of them.
I only have one.
One, yeah. Woo. Man, it's pushing. Woo!
When I was walking over here, I had some paper in my hand. When I was by there, probably my paper was shaking.
But that was, that was the pressure for real. That's, woo!
niggas that hang with the crew, make a play and get high off that Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, and niggas don't call when I ball out, fuck around, count down. Shake it up, we could've went by the way, with the rules, so big ass mama. Keep my cause that shit still in the pack. If he says he robbed me, he can't. Really no nigga so serious.
I'm about to wipe the car down. I'm gonna ride though.
Came a long way to go in the niggas know that I still. In the game that I will. With Solomon, I just had to take for 600 on all I net. Had it full like Meech. Really had me shit. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later, I'm rich. Nigga know I'm a stepper, I step with some energy. All these niggas I'm with is some fellas, and strapped with a
It is, go put the dope before they breaches. Before they breaches, I'm a god, this bitch, I'm striking, I'm throwing my heater. A lot of money instead, it keep coming forever. I'm living my life like a Peter.
Why is there no wagon awards?
Exactly.
Anybody got first?